Taipei, we've been here almost 2 weeks. It's been absolutely great, super easy to get around, so much to see both for me and for my 11-year-old daughter. 5 out of 5 stars. We definitely want to come back. This is our first trip. As I said, it's been easy to get around, and I love the food. I love the walkability. There's so much to see, the creative museums, the gardens and parks. It's just been phenomenal. So we had a program that was designed specifically for us. My daughter has studied Mandarin for 9 years. I don't speak a word of it. So we worked with the team here to customize a program. She had one-on-one advanced lessons. I had one-on-one beginner lessons. And then she joined the camp activities in the afternoon, and I got to tag along when it seemed interesting to me. So it worked for her. She got to advance her skills. I got to learn the basics. We got to see so much in Taipei that we wouldn't otherwise have seen on our own, with some great customized tours and programs. From the very beginning, it was super easy. Andreas and the team asked us questions, what we were looking for. As I said, they helped us design a program that was specific to our needs. My teacher was amazing, super flexible, super understanding when I felt like I wasn't getting it right away. My daughter had a great program as well. She's 11, speaks quite a bit of Mandarin. We had a couple challenges early on, but in working with the team, they adjusted the program so that it was both fun for her and challenging. And then they had a great staff that takes us on tours, takes the camp on tours all afternoon. We did things like Taipei 101, the 1914 Cultural Center. We are going this afternoon to the Grand Palace Hotel. So just so many different options, and LTL made it both educational and super fun. First, I would highly recommend it. It's been an absolutely fantastic program. Second, I would say don't be afraid to ask a lot of questions. Ask for what you're looking for. They were super flexible to design a program that was specific to our needs. And third, I would say just the Taipei experience has been amazing. Both the city itself, but we're also staying with a host family, and that family has been, they've been amazing. They have a young son who's a little younger than my daughter. They've helped us with meals, helped us get around, acclimated us to the metro. We commute from their house every morning to the LTL classrooms. The classrooms are super clean, air conditioned, which is fantastic here in Taipei in the summer. And I would say ask for what you're looking for and don't be afraid to try it. So we had a few different options for places to stay here in Taipei. We could get a hotel, get an Airbnb, but the LTL team recommended a homestay option. And I was a little nervous because it's always, it can be awkward staying with a family and sort of less personal space potentially, but it was phenomenal. The family was wonderful. They had a young son who was my daughter's age, and that really helped her see more what it was like to live here. The mom helped acclimate us to Taipei, and that made everything easier, from catching the metro to figuring out the money. So the family took us around both inside Taipei and out on some weekend day trips. And it was just really great to get more of a flavor for the Taipei experience.